We have a big job this morning, and that is getting this oven to actually work. Right now, the range top does work, but the oven part has not worked for a long time. And the funny part was it came with this thermometer, and when that thermometer didn't seem to be reading the right temperature, I bought another thermometer trying to figure out why the oven wasn't getting hot, and it hasn't really ever gotten hot enough. And I want to be able to cook Thanksgiving dinner in here. Today, this is coming out, and we are going to clean the gas fittings and nozzles in the back and then put it back in. And we think it's going to take probably all day. We picked a good day for it because there's no wind and there's a lot of rain and lots of clouds. It's only 78 degrees in here this morning, and that is fantastic. I will take it. I'm also going to take my pretty cream colored brand new floor mats out because I have a feeling we're going to get absolutely gross today.
See you out there.